ओडिया भाषा में आज हम हमारे भाई बहनों को सादर अनंत प्रणाम करते हैं, क्योंकि वह भगवान श्री कृष्ण जी के अनन्य भक्त हैं। और आइए भक्तों, आज हम 16 सितंबर 2024 को श्रीमद् भगवद गीता में अध्याय 2 और श्लोक 60 का अध्ययन करें। हमारे सामने प्रश्न ये है कि हम अपनी इंद्रियों को किस प्रकार से सही दिशा दें जिससे कि हमारा भव सागर पार हो जाए। तो उसके लिए आइए हम सबसे पहले हरि नाम का जाप लेते हैं और भगवान श्री कृष्ण जी के द्वारा दी हुई व्यवस्था को समझते हैं।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः।
ओडिया हे कौंतीय, प्रयत्न करिबा परे भी बुद्धिमान पुरुषर मन को एहाको चंचल इंद्रिय माने बलपूर्वक हरण करि नियंती।
Understood? Now let's take it in Sanskrit.
यततो ह्यापि कौन्तेय पुरुषस्य विपश्चितः इन्द्रियाणि प्रमाथीनि हरन्ति प्रसभं मनः।
यतत ही अपि कौन्तेय पुरुषस्य विपश्चितः इंद्रियाणि प्रमाथीनि हरन्ति प्रसभं मनः। Pramathini means full of energy. At the moment we talk of energy, we are reminded of Newton's third law of motion, which says E is equal to mc square. Now this is the environment is created when we try to control the energy. We try to hold it, stop it, regulate it, and we end up with the E is equal to mc square situation. Now there is a way out, and that we can learn from insulated wire, pipelines, and the input devices of a computer. Now this insulated wire has electrical energy flow in it without harming anyone and going for the welfare of the humanity. Water energy getting stored and moved through the pipelines is feeding the entire Jodhpur town and nearby villages through this kind of water supply. And same water, if left to uncontrolled like Indriya, then they can cause massive devastation. So let's control our Indriyas, not control, redirect them, channelize them.
करते यत्न इंद्रिय दमन हित विद्वान है, मन किंतु बल से खींच लेती इंद्रियां बलवान है।
Bal means energy. Energy means channelizing. We have not seen the energy called electricity. We are not seeing the energy stored in the water. We are not able to see the energy stored even in a spring. So, but we can always channelize it. And the best examples are insulated channel of electricity supply, insulated pipelines through which the chemical of this moves water, and thirdly is the input devices energy is controlled by the programmer. Same manner, we should channelize our energy for the welfare of self as well as the humanity. You will be a happy person on this earth, and you will be an enlightened soul as remembered by all. So with that, we come to a conclusion with our Purnahuti on Yoga. Om.